Morning. Day 2 of the R72 fast. I didn't sleep well last night. I don't think that has anything to do with the fast. Just life and stuff being on my mind. But I am a bit tired and I woke up like really, really thirsty. Not hungry, just like crazy thirsty. So I'm going to get up here in a little bit and get me a nice glass of lime water. And then I'm just going to lay here, be lazy, and figure life out. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. This is the app that I use to track my fast. If you click the emoji, you can share your mood. It has so many different emojis to choose from, and you can even customize it yourself. Time to check the verse of the day. And it reads, "Consider it pure joy whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance." James chapter 1, verse 2-3. And now back to the app. There are so many emojis that you can use to customize your experience. Today, I'm feeling okay. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit hungry, but I'm okay. I don't feel like I'm suffering. So there's my mood. As you can see, I've now been fasting for 35 hours and 31 minutes. I love the fact that the app tracks the different stages that you experience during the fast. The first stage that you experience is ketosis. Your body is starting to break down and burn fat. The next stage is heavy ketosis. You switch to fat burning mode and are generating significant ketones. The next thing your body will start to experience is autophagy. I explained what it was in my day 1 video, but here it is again. Your cells are now recycling old components and breaking down misfolded proteins linked to Alzheimer's and other diseases. If you click the Tell Me More button, it'll open up a page that'll give you more information on everything that you're experiencing. This page shows us the 5 stages of intermittent fasting, and it goes into great detail. All right, here's another update. I just drank some water and now I'm super duper duper hungry. It was like my stomach was like, no, we don't want no water. Get us some fresh fruits, vegetables, stat. I'm so hungry. Send help, send help. Listen to this. Y'all listen to my stomach. Hear that? That is my stomach growling loud as heck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What?
Squeeze! You know the juice out that line.
Squeeze! 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 I don't like it.
What? Right there.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
One of the things that I like to do to help the day go by a bit faster is play games with my family. Unfortunately, Manny and I lost.
Manny, what's wrong?
I can't believe I lost.
I thought I was about to win.
Maybe next time, Daddy.
Another thing that I like to do to help the time go by faster is read. This is the book that I'm currently reading. It's called How Not to Die by Dr. Michael Greger. After reading, I watched All About the Benjamins with my boyfriend. I ended up getting sick though, and I threw up, which sucked. Anybody who knows me knows that I have a coffee mug collection, and I tend to drink out of the mug that best describes my mood in the moment, which unfortunately was meh, but I was okay. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because tomorrow I'll be posting day 3 as well as my refeed. Love you guys. Bye.